Hey, and how are you guys doing today? Listen, I was out in my garden just now and I was picking a bunch of tomatoes and I was thinking back to a dish I used to make a long time ago. It's basically a tomato tart served warm, and it's with Olivade, or you could use your Tapenade, whatever you have, as the base of it. It's super simple, doesn't take much time. It's the perfect thing to make if you want something delicious for dinner that feels more luxurious than it really is. So let's get in the kitchen and start cooking up these tomatoes. All right, so it's really quite easy. The first thing we're gonna do is take our tomatoes that we just picked and we're gonna slice them thin, probably about a 1/4 inch thick actually. And what we have to do is dry these out in the oven. So we're just gonna lay them here on this silpat. And then we're gonna drizzle them with a little bit of oil. And then finally some herbs de Provence, salt and pepper. And just cook them in the oven for probably maybe, I don't know, 2 hours at 300 degrees. So really what we're trying to do is dehydrate the tomatoes. So I'm just using the springform pan and just cutting around the edge in my puff pastry. Alrighty, let's just pull up the sides. There we go. And I'm just gonna take a giant tablespoon and smear it around the base of the tart. You want to probably leave like 1 inch or so space from the edge.